Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to show you how to delete the files from your old Windows installation. Okay, so you've either upgraded to Windows 10 from a previous version of Windows, or maybe you've done a feature update from an older version of Windows 10 to a newer version of Windows 10, and you want to delete those old files that are taking up space on your hard drive. Now, this is important because in some cases, this can be anywhere from 10, even up to almost 20 gigabytes worth of data that's being consumed on your drive that you can free up by performing this procedure. Now, before we get started, I just want to say that you should always keep the old installation there for at least, I would say, 2 weeks to a month after you upgrade, just in case you run into any problems or compatibility issues and you need to go back to the older version of Windows. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to assume that you've already done that and that you know the version of Windows that you have installed is good and you don't need that old version anymore. So to get started, we're going to go down and we're going to run disk cleanup. So we're just going to, we can either type it in here or we can type it, if you have the search bar down here, you can type that. My desktop's a little bit different, but disk cleanup, just type in disk and you'll get disk cleanup. So we're going to launch that. Now, by default, you're not going to see this in disk cleanup. You're going to need to click Clean Up System Files. And when you get this screen up, all the way down towards the bottom, you're going to see Previous Windows Installation with an S on there. So it could be multiple. But in our case, we have 14.8 gigabyte worth of previous Windows installations on our system. And we can free that space up by checking the box and hitting OK. It's going to ask us, do we want to permanently delete these files? We're going to say delete files. Now you will get a warning when it gets to the previous Windows installation. We're just going to say yes to the warning. Now this process will take some time depending on the speed of your computer. But once this process is finished, that space will be free once again. Folks, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other YouTubers find quality content, and we really appreciate it. Click on subscribe, and then click the bell to get notified whenever new content is added. As always, comments, questions, and suggestions are welcome below, and we thank you very much for watching.